Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make an origami seal that can stand. For this we need one sheet of origami paper. If you like our video, please give us a like, share and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done it. We start with the origami paper, white side up, and we fold it in half diagonally. Unfold and then bring this corner to the crease in the middle we just created. And then we bring this corner to the middle. Okay. Now turn the model over and we're going to fold it in half. So we bring this corner here. Now we turn it over again. Next we're going to open these pockets. We insert our finger here and then we flatten the paper like this. Okay, and we do the same here. Okay, and then we're going to bring this flap to the left. Next, we're going to fold the model in half. Okay, and then we bring this line to the crease in the middle. So we fold it like this and we turn it over and do the same for this side. Next we're gonna make an inside reverse fold here for the head, which means that from here we start folding it like this. Okay, and here we open it, we fold it just a little bit here at the top, and then we do another inside reverse fold here. And we made the head. Next, we're gonna do the same for the tail here. So first we can fold it like this, and then we open it and we fold it inside. And that's it. I hope you found our video interesting, and if you did, please give us a like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, please take a look at the description below this video to find links to other fun origami models and also to some interesting gift wrapping tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you next time!